La la love me like you do. La la love me like you do. Hi guys, James talking here. You call me a YouTube video reactor cause I like reacting in videos. It's have another reason. I want to give you a new flavor in videos, new taste in videos, sometime different reacting in videos. This is the reason for I react in video. So please enjoy my videos and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Ready?
Ready, pull the tree down.
Hey, this thing comes down, you run that way.
Okay, Jake's out the way. It's coming.